Okay, we now go on with speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you some questions related to gift. Try to answer my questions in 4-5 sentences, right? I will evaluate you and I'll give you my feedback on that. My first question is, what is the best gift you have ever received from someone?
Okay, so I would love to talk about the gift I received when I achieved some good grades in my school. That was a watch. It was gifted to me by my brother.
Okay, this is very good. Just 1 to 2 more sentences. That was gifted to me by my brother and I always liked that watch. Even today I have that watch.
Okay.
Like that, okay? Otherwise examiner will say why? And when you received your results, then you say hi, yeah. So, do you give expensive gifts?
No, actually, I am yet a student and haven't started a job, so I do not prefer giving expensive gift. When I will start my job or when I started providing my services to the nation and started earning money, then I will give expensive gifts.
Yeah, then you will get married and all the gifts will go to one place, huh? All right. What do you give others as a gift?
For the younger, I usually prefer to give chocolates and toys, and for the adults, I prefer giving watches, mobile phones, and the types of things for the adults.
Okay. What kind of gifts are popular in your country?
The most popular gift in my country is money. The elder people give it to the younger and different kinds of occasions like weddings, birthdays, and etc.
Okay, this is very good. Much better than before, huh? Keep it up. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay, now let's go on. I'm going to ask you some questions. The topic is jokes and comedies. Are you good at telling jokes?
I don't think so. I'm good at all because I have a serious personality. But yes, it doesn't mean that I don't like jokes and comedies. But yes, you can say I always in a search for funny situations, like anybody fell down. So that makes me very laugh.
Okay. Do your friends like to tell jokes?
Not especially, but in my family zone, my twin brother, he always ready to crack a joke.
He's always ready.
He always ready to crack a joke. So yes, he made me very happy.
He makes me.
He makes me very happy. So.
All right. So it's better to talk about friends instead of changing the topic from friends to brother. Right? So you can say one of my friends, she is very naughty and she's always cracking some good jokes and then we laugh out loudly. So yes, I have a friend who always love to tell jokes like that. Do you like to watch comedies?
Yes, I love to watch comedies. Recently, I just finished a season, a Korean season, Crash Landing on You. That is a comic little bit season. So yes, that season make me very happy. So yes.
All right. In your answer, there is some repetition.
Yes.
Don't repeat the same idea or same word again and again. So for example, do you like to watch comedies? Yes, I always love to watch comedies because there are some funny seasons and I always love to watch them, and especially something like that. Okay. Let's go on. Have you ever watched a live comedy show?
Unfortunately not, but I remember when I was in second semester, there was an offer for the students in a local program, Kabarnak, but due to the busy routine, I just I was not able to go in that show. So yes, but I will not to go this opportunity.
Okay.
I will avail this.
All right. So I could not avail this opportunity, but otherwise I've never been to any live comedy show.
Yes.
It's my desire to watch one live, right?
Yes.
Something like that. So just add some more to your answer. Organize your answers. They should be proper beginning, elaboration, and conclusion of your answer. Okay. All right. Thank you. Overall, it's good. Keep it up.